Hi! In this video, we are going to take a quick look in Blender. But what is Blender? Blender is a professional free and open source 3D computer graphics software. With Blender, you can make detailed 3D models, 3D animations, games, and much more. This is what you see when opening Blender for the first time. I'm using Blender 2.71, as you can see here in the splash screen. If you are using a different version, this splash screen may look different. You can click in the splash screen to make it disappear. This is Blender's default interface. The interface is composed of different windows called editors. For example, this is an editor called 3D View. And this is an editor called Properties. Each editor has its own header located at the top, like in the Properties editor, or at the bottom, like in the 3D View editor. You can change the editor type clicking in this button, or in this button, or in any button that controls the editor types. To illustrate this, I'm going to change the editor 3D View to User Preferences. All I have to do is click in this button to open this window and choose User Preference in this list. Now I'm going to change back to the 3D view. The interface can be changed. Blender offers different presets for the interface. You can click here to select different presets, like the animation preset, if you want to focus on animations, or the UV editing preset, if you are working with textures. Each interface preset offers different options. For now, I will be using the default preset. Some headers have tab-like buttons called context buttons. They give access to some options. For example, the Materials context button gives you access to options related to object materials. The Modifiers context button gives you access to several modifiers. We'll see more about those in the future. This area is called Region. Regions group together panels, like the Transform panel, and controls, like the Translate, Rotate, Scale, and Mirror controls. This is not the only region. This plus sign indicates that a region is hidden. You can press the plus sign to show the hidden region, or you can press the N key in your keyboard to show or hide the region. You can also position your mouse in the edge of the region until you see these double arrows, left click and hold, and drag your mouse until the region is hidden again. Like the right region, you can hide or expose the left region using the letter T in your keyboard, the plus sign, or clicking and dragging its edge. Blender has different types of controls, like buttons, checkboxes, sliders, and drop-down menus that you can use to choose or change different options. You can render an image clicking on the render button. You can turn on or off anti-aliasing for your render, checking or unchecking the anti-aliasing checkbox. You can set the render resolution in the resolution sliders. And you can choose different render presets in the Render Presets drop-down menu. This concludes this video. If you liked it, please subscribe and leave a comment. See you next time!